Then let us go to find out that solution. Question number second in 4.2 exercise. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66 given. We are discussing about digit number. Two-digit number. Two-digit number means the units place is there and tens place is there. Is it clear? Once see one example. Example here, 82 is there. 2 is units place. In units place 2 is there and tens place 8 is there. So he given like this, tens place is 8, units place 2. How make them number means tens place is 8 means 10 into 8. Ones place is 2 means 1 into 2. Then 10 8s are 80 plus 1 2s are 2. It is 82. Is it clear? In the same way, simply we can write as, we know already this is tens place, units place. 82 is the number. Why should we write this total means? If these two are the variables means, example, x is there and y is there. How can we arrange the numbers means? Tens digit is y means you put here y only. Here units place is x means you have to put x only. Then your number is 10x, 10y plus 1x. Okay, but should not write as like a 82yx. It is not the correct number. So if the number means numerals means we have to write easily, but if they are the variables means you must follow like this. Is it clear? Right. So I am going to explain this question. First of all, I am taking as let units place. I am taking as example x, then tens place. Okay, and tens place is y. So the number be formed. How to make the number? Sir, just now we did the tens place is y means 10y plus ones place is x, no 1x. So your number is 10y plus x. Should not say 10y plus x is 10yx. That means instead of plus it will become as into. Should not write like this 10yx. 10y plus x. Please remember properly now. Next. And he given one condition and according the data. That data, what he said means the two-digit number you have to write here. That two-digit number and the sum of two-digit number and obtained by the interchanging the number means reversing the digit number is 66 given. Is 66 given. You have to write in the what should you write now? Sum of two-digit number and obtained by the interchanging number is 66. So this is 10y. This is our original number and interchanging. Interchanging means units place is in tens place. Tens place is in units place. Example 65 is there. This is units place, this tens place. Interchanging means it is 56. This tens place is in units place is in tens place. That same way it is 10x plus y. This is 10y plus 6 is our original number. That interchanging number is 10x plus y, that is equal to 66. So that we get 10x plus 1x total is how much now? 11x. And 10y plus 1y, 11y is equal to 66. Then cancel by 11 table, we get 11x plus, 1x plus 1y is equal to 6. This is the equation 1. Is it clear? Understand? Right. And one more information given, the differ between two numbers, two digits is 2 given. Differ is 2 given. Okay? Differ between these two numbers x and y. The difference between x and y is 2 given. Getting doubts. Sir, is it x minus y is equal to 2 or y minus x is equal to 2? Which is correct? Both are correct only. Means we get two possibilities are there. In the case 1, according to this statement, we have to take as x minus y is equal to 2. This is treated as the second equation. Now add first and second. I am going to do the problem by elimination method. So x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. Why should we add, sir? Because here coefficients are same, and if you add means plus y minus y cancel, and we get 2x is equal to 8, then x is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. We got x value. Then how to get y value? Substitute here. X is equal to 4. Substitute in equation 1. This is first equation. So in the first equation, when I substituted at the place of x is equal to 4, 4 plus y is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So our required number. So what is our original number? 10y plus x. So the required number what is that number? 10y plus x. So that 10 at the place of y 2, at the place of x 4, that is 10 to the 20 plus 4, 24 is our required number. Okay, we have the case 2 also. The case 2, that is instead of x minus y, we have to take y minus x is equal to 2. Why should not take like this? Because he did not give any information. Simply he said differ between two digits, either x minus y is equal to or y minus x is equal to. And again same, this is be treated as the third equation. Add first and third. Okay. Your first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. Here third equation is first I am writing x minus x plus y is equal to 2. When I add these two equations, minus x plus x cancel, 2y is equal to 8, then y is equal to 8 by 2, nothing but 4. 8 by 2 is equal to 4. Sir, y is equal to 4, we have to substitute in first equation. Your first equation is x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. At the place of 1, we are substituting 8. 4. Y is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. So, our required number. What is the required number? Original number 10y plus x. 10y plus x. Means 10 at the place of y 4 sir, at the place of x 2. Means 40 plus 2. Your answer is 42. Either 24 or 42. Both are correct answer. How many possibility answers are there? Means 2 are the possibilities are there for this problem. Check once then. Is it clear? Okay. Right. Thank you, children.